Alright, here I am now. I'm about to finish extract the control arm by removing the second 14 spanner nut. And it should just come off like that. Good. Keep it straight up in the air. Don't bend it on that, keep it straight, right? Let me talk a little bit now, show me this. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is to replace that with the new arm which I have here. And guys, you also have to shop around. We're in Barbados. One place has it for $65, another place has it for $75, another place has it for $90. So you know where you bought it from. Alright. So now it has to go in. It has to fit in like this and like that. Okay? That's the move there. Alright. That's the move. So what I'm about to begin to do is to try to thread the 14s. Hang a minute. I will not say like my friend from the Philippines, I don't know what I'm doing. I will not say that. But it's the first time I'm ever putting in a back control arm for my Mitsubishi. By the time I'm finished, my Mitsubishi will be totally, suspension will be totally refurbished. That's the goal. The goal is to totally refurbish the Mitsubishi.